Want to create mind-blowing AI images and cinematic high-quality videos just like these completely all in one place? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to master Easemate AI, an absolute powerhouse platform that brings the best AI models right to your fingertips. From stunning AI image generation to incredible video creation, and so much more. So let's get started. First, go to Google, search for Easemate AI, and click on the very first link at the top of the results. Once the dashboard opens, wow, you'll instantly see that Easemate AI is an absolute powerhouse. If you hover over AI chat, you'll discover something amazing. You'll find that it integrates almost every major AI model out there, including GPT, Gemini, Claude, DeepSeek, and many more tools all in one place. Moving on to the next tab, we have the AI Study and Research section. It features specialized tools like a math solver, physics solver, chemistry solver, and many more tools available here. Now, let's move over to the AI photo section. As you can see, you can do image-to-image conversions, text-to-image, AI image generator, and many more tools available here. But today, we're going to dive straight into the text-to-image feature to create an artwork from scratch. Click on the model dropdown. You'll find fantastic models here, but let's go with Seedream 5.0 Lite for some truly high-fidelity results. Next, type in your prompt. Now, all that's left to do is hit that generate button. And here's the best part. It takes just a few seconds to process your request. Wow, look at that. A stunning, hyper-realistic masterpiece created purely from text. Let's move on to the next exciting part. Right here, you'll see an option for image-to-image. Go ahead and click on it. This feature allows you to take any existing image and completely transform it using AI. First, click on the upload area to select and add the base image you want to work with from your device. Once your image is uploaded, you can write your prompt and describe exactly how you want the AI to transform it. Now, click on Generate, and there you have it. The new stunning variation of your image is ready. Look at the incredible transformation. Under the AI Video tab, we have options like Image to Video, Text to Video, Video to Video, and many more incredible tools available here. Then, we are going to text to video option, so let's click on it. Once the generator opens, you'll see a model's drop-down selection. Clicking it reveals several powerful options. I am choosing the Seedance Pro model. Let's type in our video prompt. Perfect. Go ahead and hit generate. And wow, look at that. That is absolutely incredible. After that, let's switch over to the image to video tool. First, click on the Upload option to open your folder. From here, select the image you want to use from your computer and upload it to the platform. It's time to add your prompt. Type a clear prompt in the text area explaining exactly how you want your image to animate and move inside the final video. After that, open your quality parameters and change the format to high definition 1080p. Perfect. Everything is now set up and ready to go. That is absolutely incredible. If this tutorial helped you unlock your creativity with Easemate AI, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome AI tutorials.